Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this dual air fryer. This is a really convenient device here because you have two separate baskets that you can put at two different temperatures. You've got one right here, it's a 4.5 quart basket here. And then you've got your other basket, which is another 4.5 quarts. So you've got 9 quarts total in your baskets. It comes with these little inserts that you could put at the bottom that are ceramic inserts, so they are non-stick. And they just slide right at the bottom, and they've got little finger holes here. So whenever it's time to clean it, you can easily take them out and clean it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down in here. You can also leave them up a little bit because it's got this little non-slip rubber siding. So if you didn't want to put that all the way down for some reason, you could leave it up. So you've got your power button right here. And then that illuminates your whole screen with these nice LED lights. You do have a light that then kicks on underneath here, so then you can see what is inside your basket and see how it's cooking. And that is on both sides. And you can start it up if you want to start number 1 basket and start controlling that. You'd press number 1. It starts off with your temperature and your timer. So whenever we have 1 going, we can either just decide our own temperature by pressing the down or the up button, or you can use one of these pre-selected menus here by pressing this button right here, and that'll then rotate through which one you select and then the temperature that goes with it. And say we wanted to do this dried fruit, we're gonna do it at 120. We can do our timer and set how long we're wanting to time it. So get 6 when we start. And now that one is on and going at 120 degrees. If we wanted to do the same thing for number 2, we press number 2 and we can hit dual cook, and that'll put them both at the exact same thing. And say we want to start that one up. So now we can actually have them at 2 separate degrees, going at 2 different things. So if you did have multiple things you wanted to cook, this little fella can do it all.